And just luckily my house has a flat rolled roof, and I've just been up on it for the last 5 or 6 days trying to seal it. So we're going to go out the front and check, see what's going on out here. This is just a really weird storm. It's supposed to have winds up to 60 miles an hour. Now here's a trivia. Look at that tree, it's going again. This is a trivia question for a lot of my friends out there. How high does the wind have to be before it'll knock a man over? Just a guy standing out there. Well, the answer is 80 miles an hour, or what, 120 kilometers an hour? I don't know if this is just going to blow through or blow over or blow our damn house down or what. Something up there is seriously pissed off. Cops or sirens are everywhere. The DIO has been saved by a hair's breadth from my wife's stupid putting up this bedpost bullshit. Could have destroyed my bike. It's a good reason I parked it way out there. Okay, we'll get back to the action if something exciting happens, like God comes down from heaven, or tidal wave, or who knows.